and call Kartel Fagisha like a mother did. You understand what I'm going here, sir? Oh, Vybz Kartel, come out and play. Vybz Kartel, come out and play.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Leader of the dancehall arena, the war analyzer for the hype, has contacted Jashii, the original war producer from Bounty and Beanie Days. And now, in less than 4 hours, we present to you this rhythm that has no name, this rhythm that is designated for Masicka and Tommy Lee to voice on the same rhythm. Let's get ready to rumble. Trouble. Ready. How the blood clot? Okay. Like them over here, Jashii. How I go on? Read him. Bumbleclad! Yo, wanna tag Masicka and tag Jashii right now? Tag Masicka and tag Jashii right now. Jesus Christ! Jashii! Yo! This come like a gully god figure for that really. Yo! Yo, cold bomb. No, me not be a hypocrite. Pussy clad. Wanna hear our rhythm son? Wanna hear our rhythm son? Me not listen to Foota eye. Shut up and listen to fucking rhythm. You make too much noise. Listen. Listen. Rhythm here can carry Tommy Lee and Masicka to a different stage in them career. In a war department. That rhythm here is normal. And a real dancehall, this and a hip hop. This not play like no hip hop with no sweetie phrase and them blood clot. They listen again. Knock it again. Clot it again for time. Clot it again. Hear them like a show star. Moving. Oh, God. Yeah, walk on and sting and so fresh with this and trouble. Hear them. Oh, God. Drum roll. Hear them. Hear the praise them. Hear the church bell. Oh. Yeah, make Bunty name it. Headstone. Finisher. Bumbleclad. Some bad name I come up, you know. Send for your bad name. Blood pressure. Bumbleclad. Lights out. Yo. War zone. Jashii, what you say? What you say, Jashii? Remember your project, you know? Headstone. Warbell. Somebody say name it Fagisha. Yo. Yeah, this one that pussy wall. Somebody's name it Dead Chop, Headstone, Champs, Straight, Delta. People here, Shallow Grave, Death Announcement, Death Row. Can't name it Death Row. 245. New King, Ross, Beat and Teach with him. Read him name Beat and Teach already. Jazzwad. Yo, I can't add it to the live until me review them two songs. Because if I add it to the live, it will fuck up the audio. So I can't add it to the live yet. After me review the two songs them, then when I go and think about some name, dog. No, me review it right now. Me review Jashii song right now, then Masicka song. Zine, War Bell or War Zone. So here I go on now. I go review Jashii song since Jashii first jump out and I deal the war. I not hear the song yet. So I go review it now and go to my honest opinion. Zine. So this is Jashii brand new song. I don't know what go on. Jashii just jump out and I shoot people. So make we hear this. Brand new Jashii. People wanna tag Jashii. Tag Jashii. Tag Jashii there. Marsha, you can't name the rhythm fuck a bush with him. Why you think about your vagina and penis? Stop it, man, a war time. You see me? Wanna tag Jashii for me there. Them stuff you name the rhythm category 5. I think I read him name category 5 already, you know. If me not mistake. You wanna tag Jashii for me there. Tag Jashii for me. Tag Jashii for me. Jazzwad. I fuck she want fuck on the rhythm now. Yo, wanna tag Jashii for me. Tag Jashii. Everybody tag Jashii for me. I want him see when me I review this. Wanna tag Jashii for me there. Right now the war, the rhythm they make me have a different energy. You all sweat me, I sweat. Bumbo clad. No Jazzwad, the rhythm there. Bumbo clad. Them to name the rhythm Melissa. Yo, so you said the man them a ride Melissa. Makes sense. Yo, wanna tag Jashii for me now, man. Rhythm name category 5 already. See me tell you. Tag Jashii for me there. Tag Jashii for me there. Ah, see them tag Jashii there. Alright, so right now, we are going to review Jashii war song. I don't hear it yet. I don't know who hear it already, but first I hear it. I'm going to listen it and I'm going to give me honest opinion. Ready? First line. First line. Yo, Tommy Lee. At the first line of the blood clot verse, you get a suck your mother now. No, sir. Hold on, this serious. Uno hear the rhythm? Uno hear the mix? I'm drinking water. Hold on. You saw me tell us an engineer important. You saw me a blood clot telling us an engineer important. Uno hear the mix a while ago? Hold on. Listen to the mix and the melody or the rhythm I drop. Remember, I'm not listen to the song yet, you know? Just listen this. Hold on. Uno listen the kick jump or it a drop with what Jashii say. Uno listen this. Well, I first me I hear it, you know? I first me I hear this, you know? Uno hear how the rhythm I go. You remember? But guess what now? In my voice, the war song like a 45. It's so killer filler. The man got hard. The man in a bag of trace so early in the morning. You know? On a tag Masicka, please.
Tongue no more medal. Brain jump up no carnival. Blood clot rolling and no Barbie doll.
Look who's back. Bumbleclad. Look who's back. Top Shatter is back. Wagwan rude boy. Masicka! Look who the fuck is back. And Jashii calls this? Who didn't hear that? Hold on. Who didn't realize what I'm going to say? The man that use a mother floor and call Cartel Fagisha like a mother did. Who don't understand what I'm going to say? Oh. Vybz Kartel. Come out and play. Vybz Kartel. Come out and play. You can't hide no more, Vybz Kartel. Let's see if you still have it. Let's see if you still as bad as you used to be. Vybz Kartel. Come out and play.
Next time when you get me, remember you done this bunty, your bunty bring him a room. Artists me send me retire. Enough artists you send people vlog. 90s, the art send people mad.
Shit. You ain't getting no hit songs since you come out, my brother. You gotta come prove yourself. We ain't gonna disrespect. We know you one of the illest things that has ever touched dancehall. But now, you gotta prove yourself, Addy. Come out and play. Take the mask off. That facade you running with, that you're the fourth member of the Grace Chillers and shit, we not buying that shit. Let out Vybz Kartel. Adija, let out Vybz Kartel. We don't believe you. We do not think that you're a pastor. We do not think that you're the fourth member of the Grace Chillers. We do not believe that. It's time to shoot. Vybz Kartel, it's time to shoot. Ha! 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 No more hear about that third verse, our fourth verse. Yo, the one Masicka dangerous, you know. You notice when that time the song get normal, and then down at the end you saw the man going on different gear about Vybz Kartel. Come out to play. Listen to this. Boom, bam, 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 bam. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Ra, ra, ra. Boom, 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 boom. Kap, 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 kap. Bam, 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 bam. Book, 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 book. Bam, 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 bam. Boom, boom, boom. The baddest line of the last line. Bumbleclad, Masicka, man. Bumbleclad. 90s. Go accent you, mad. Sugar. Vybz Kartel. The energy that the guards have for Foota hype needs to be directed to Jashii and Masicka. I'm not your biggest problems anymore. Vybz Kartel. I know. I don't know if everybody else knows. You are not happy. You have to be putting on this facade that you're this changed person and you're a member of the Grace Chillers now and you're only doing gospel music. I know it's bullshit. I know it's killing you inside that you can't sing about busting out a head and some new gun and some new rhyme. Cut the fucking facade. Kill Masicka. Vybz Kartel. We do not believe that you are a member of the Grace Thrillers. We don't believe it. Come shoot Masicka. No. We don't want you to excuse. We don't want you to say I deal with family. We don't want you about none of that shit. The streets now work with that. We don't want you how much you charge for your show. That don't fucking matter. Bounty Killer is the epiphany of this thing. Ninja Man is the epiphany of the era before Bounty. Them no business wagwan when a killing time, a killing time. Vybz Kartel, you have to answer this. The man this you brawling and him call your name. You don't have no excuse now to tell nobody about boy afraid I am come like mosquito on your skin and you just fan him off so. No. You get disrespect brawling. Your street credit's at risk right now. Vybz Kartel, come out to play. What kind of excuse you arguing now? TJ talk to him. Lenny Matic talk to him. Can't ignore this, Kartel. You can't ignore this. Jashii, this you too. Alright, I'll be honest now. And give me honest opinion. Masicka song, bad. Bad, I love it. And I love same Kartel name. And the whole camp him a kill now. I love it. But honestly, Jashii lead. Jashii lead the whole war. I swear from my mother's soul. Jashii lead the whole war. People, I can't see no comment now here. The comment them look like they limit my comment them out. People can't comment. So it stop. I can't see no more comment. So if you not comment right now, I can't see it. I'm going to see the fire emoji and them something when I put up, but I can't see no comment. So me and I can't get to interact. Because them turn up, them limit my comment them. Listen to me. Masicka song bad. Jashii have the baddest song from the war start. No bias. No hypocrite thing. None of that. Zine, me I tell you straight. Jashii will lead the war. One entrance and Jashii will lead the war. You see me? Me don't know if I wait, Masicka did I wait on Jashii to shoot out so first before him shoot out so. But right now Jashii has a genocide and Masicka genocide. Two of them together, genocide a lead. Vybz Kartel, family alone can't manage this. It's obvious. Family alone can't manage this. Kartel, you have to jump out. Kartel, if you not jump out, you know, a lock where you lock you in, you know. Remember, you done a struggle song-wise already. You know, no hit song when you come from jail. God is the greatest of the song, and because, you know, the Grace Thrillers behavior and thing, you know, no song when you come from jail. The whole of them flop. So, this is your moment. You listen to Eminem song, with the inner voice they are telling him to come out and ray. Yeah, man. Forward Kartel, man. Business need you, man. Come get back some hit song now, man. Come on. You are not all it's but good as artist, brother. You are not throwback. So why have your old song you have to sing? Because you don't have no new one. Come on. Come get some new song. Come on, Addy. You are not the corporate giant. The facade where you have put on Kartel, it's not you. That's why the song them now it's not you. Busy Signal is the corporate giant. Busy Signal, the whole of corporate America and the world love. Europe, everywhere, you're not going to win that. They so gone left you. And yes, so you're there. And you are the street giant. And you are the dancehall monster. You have to there. If you ignore this, I'm sorry for you. No clout, no matter how you're bad, no matter how your badness go, you have to come defend this. You have to come defend this. Get on the endorsement deal. The man them a go up for you, are your friend them. We know the story. You have to come defend this cartel. Talk is cheap. Remember we have beat Masicka right through. Can't afraid to call your name. See him call your name now. Jashii brave him up. But a same team. So Jashii motivate him for this year. And him this year. And Jashii this year brawling. I gotta see if you gonna live with this. I wanna see if you gonna live with that. I wanna see if you gonna live with that. Jashii, Masicka, Tommy Lee. See what rhythm here? We built last night 4 hours ago. Cause more people over here now, I play it back. 4 hours ago, that rhythm here build. Just what build this. Hear it here now. Give it back front top. Front top. See it here? Can't tell if you want it, you know you will find just one. Just one. What we say? What they want, then we give them it. And the mountain will rise, then we give it. And if I want them want, then we give them it. And if I get them want, then we freeze it. And the lock down, we post it up. Why? Why I get no money? Pick it up. And if I get them, and then we pick it up. And practically go the mountain, pick it up. And it's up. And at the end, flatter. And when the real one, me say go ask Bagger. And big up, yo, take a villa, grand villa. And man is road, we man is road. Anytime around, black around, big road, black glad. Yo, war, yo, yo, just what I rhythm, yeah. Play it again. War rhythm. Just one. Kartel rhythm there. Masicka rhythm there. Family Jashii rhythm there. Oh, God. Yo, 4 hours mistake for me last night. Just one build this. War rhythm link just one. Link just one. War. Gonna bust a people ball and people cry. This Foota ain't no something to see my fly. People ball and people cry and people them a die. The pastor close him eye. His blood is just a fly. Cause we go down with that is how we fuck lad. Yo, read him here. Just one. Hold on. Send the coke and buy the gun. And if you violate, then you know your life are done. Can't have no fun. And the beach are locked down. You can't go to party. Can't you know your life is done. Now we can pass the crew and pass the rusty magnum. Just have a peace. Let them know your life done. And them violate. Put on all the dead that come down. And the devil of the ball. Cause I'm here. Then I run out the gun. Then boy, you put the life done. Yo, I'm buckling. Trouble, just what I read in me out. I'm buckling. I read in me out. Yo, stop it. Anybody want to read him there? Link Jahshii. And I'm read him. A Jahshii thing. I want to read him. Masicka, Tommy Lee, Jashii, me have to involve in a war now. Because your war makes sense. Kartel, Jashii, Masicka, Tommy Lee, on a link bomb buckler, Jahshii. War!